Alright, hi everybody, this is the Math 31 derivatives review. This is question 10. What I got to do here is take the derivative of this expression implicitly. Okay, so the derivative of y cubed, okay, remember what we've got here essentially when you're taking the derivative of a variable y here, remember that y is always equal to f of x. Y is a function. So what we've got here is a function cubed. So this is really just an example of the chain rule. So you would say 3y squared, but then we would have to multiply by the derivative of that function inside. Now I don't know what that is, so I write y primed just to represent that. Plus, and now I've got a function here, x to the fourth, multiplied by another function here, or the power of a function, y to the seventh. So I'm going to use the product rule here. So this will be 4x cubed, y to the seventh, plus x to the fourth times 7 y to the sixth times y primed. Okay, because I have to use when I take the derivative of y to the 7, remember this is a function to the 7. So I bring down the 7, and basically it's the chain rule. So I have to include that expression for the derivative of y there. Plus 3x squared, okay, that's the derivative of the x cubed term here, equals, don't forget that the derivative of a constant is 0. And so now, what I'm going to do here is, I've got two terms in this expression that have the y primed in them. I'm going to factor the y primed out of those two terms. The other two terms I'm going to bring over to the other side of the equal sign. So I'm going to get y primed times 3y squared plus over here, this was 7x to the fourth y to the sixth. That is going to equal negative 4x cubed y to the 7 minus 3x squared. And now what I'm going to do is divide by this expression right here to isolate the y primed. So y primed is going to equal negative 4x cubed y to the 7 minus 3x squared all over 3y squared plus 7x to the 4 y to the sixth. Now, there's really not much that can be done here except for maybe a little bit of common factoring. I can take out, let's say, a negative x squared out of the numerator to leave me with 4xy to the 7 minus 3. And in the denominator, the best I can do is take out that y squared. So y squared, this will be multiplied by 3 plus 7x to the fourth y to the fourth. That is about as nice as that's going to get.